wishing Honorable Tai Saheb a very happy birthday. May the coming year see you achieve great heights in your career and may the institution flourish under your able guidance.
Good morning to all. Today happens to be 4th May, Dr. Asmita's birthday. She has been an undergraduate student, a postgraduate student, and now she heads the health vertical. Over a last decade, as I have closely worked with her, she has metamorphosized into a true leader. Few qualities which are to be noted are: she is a patient listener. She gives accessibility to each and every one who works with her, and she usually ends the meeting with an decision. I am sure with her vision, with her hard work, the Bharti Health vertical will reach to a new heights. She is a true woman in all aspects, managing the family front, 3 children, managing all her visits on the health vertical, and managing the whole health vertical to its fullest capacity. In last 2 years, especially post-COVID, it has made inroads in various aspects. I'm sure, Dr. Asmita, I will keep troubling you with an early morning phone call at 6 a.m. to get a lot of clearances to see that with your clearances and our hard work, we would really try our best to make this medical college reach a very great heights in years to come. Again, happy birthday to you, Dr. Asmita.
Many happy returns of the day to Honorable Executive Director Dr. Asmita Jagtap Madam. Wishing her a healthy, wonderful and prosperous year ahead. Have a great day, Madam.
Happy birthday, Dr. Asmita. Wish you a wonderful day and a great year ahead.
आदरणीय अस्मिता ताई साहेब यांना वाढदिवसाच्या लक्ष शुभेच्छा.
आयुर्वेद कॉलेज आणि आयुर्वेद हॉस्पिटल, फॅकल्टी, नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ, पॅरामेडिकल स्टाफ आणि सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांच्या वतीने मी डॉक्टर अस्मिता ताईंना वाढदिवसाच्या मनापासून शुभेच्छा देतो.
Most respected and beloved Tai Saheb, wishing you a very fruitful and blessed happy birthday.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Asmita Tai Saheb.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Dr. Ashmita ma'am. Stay happy and blessed always.
For all that you have done for us, on behalf of Bharati Vidyapit Faculty of Nursing and staff of College of Nursing, we wish you a blessed new year. May God bless you abundantly. Thank you.
Many happy returns of the day, Dr. Asmita Madam, a leader with a human touch. Your visionary leadership has driven the NABH accreditation of all the 3 dental colleges of Bharati Vidyapit.
Respected and dearest Dr. Asmita Tai Jagtap, on behalf of Bharati Vidyapit College of Nursing, Navi Mumbai, I wish you many happy returns of the day. एक छोटीशी कविता तुमच्यासाठी. यशही अथांग सागरासन, कीर्तीही शिंपल्यांमधील मोतींसन. तुमच्या कर्तृत्वाला ठेंगणेही पडे हे आकाश. पसरला प्रेमा सुवाचा आसमानता तेजाचा प्रकाश.
Wishing Honorable Tai Saheb a very happy birthday. Ma'am, on this special day, I want to thank you for all the support and encouragement you give us, School of Audiology and Speech Language Pathology. Your leadership really motivates us to do the best. On behalf of all the staff and students of School of Audiology and Speech Language Pathology, I wish you a very happy birthday, a day full with fun and laughter and many years of health, happiness and success.
आदरणीय ताईसाहेब, आपल्याला वाढदिवसाच्या भारती विद्यापीठ होमिओपॅथिक वैद्यकीय महाविद्यालय व संलग्नित होमिओपॅथिक रुग्णालयातील सर्व शिक्षक, शिक्षकेतर सेवक तसेच रुग्णालयातील सर्व सेवकांच्या वतीने कोटी शुभेच्छा. नमस्कार.
Happy birthday to our wonderful dynamic leader, Honorable Tai Saheb. We all are praying for your prosperity, victory, success and long healthy life.
Wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you abundantly.